Hello, it's Mike, and we're going to have a look at some more Outlook features. So, the first one is if you go to your sent items and open an email up, drop down the ribbon, and then more move actions here, if you drop that down, you have the option to recall this message. So if you've sent an email incorrectly, you can recall it, and the options are there. You've also got the option to resend this message, so rather than forward him, you can just click resend this message and it doesn't have the forward like that is usually sent with it. And on a new email, if you go to tags and do the drop down, some options here where if you want the delivery to be delayed, you select it here and put the criteria in, and then you can also select when the message expires. So if they've not read it within a certain time, the message will expire. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Give us a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.